Right, so welcome to our Tagalog review, part one of two for our Tagalog one. Yumi is what?
Gentle,
Refined manners. What's nahalina in English?
nahalina,
Nahalina ako sa kanyang ganda.
mesmerized,
Yes. What is nasadlak? Nasadlak ako sa paghihirap. Fall into
napunta.
disgrace. Sakdal.
Oh,
Sakdal ng yaman.
wow, those are really hard. Super,
Very
like sakdal is super.
extremely. Dilag. What's dilag?
Oh, it's a beautiful lady.
Dalita. No, it's just beauty. Dalita.
Mm.
Dalita.
It's like beauty also, no?
Aya. Aya. Poorness or destitution. What's adhika?
Poor. Oh, it's belief,
Ikaw ang aking adhika, aspiration, my
oh,
goals in life. Irog,
love,
beloved, yes. Poblasyon,
city,
yes.
province.
Town center. Kuta,
Oh,
fort. Nakapaloob,
port. Inside.
contains. Paghihimutok, paghihimutok. Ang
Ano, paglagotok.
lagoto ng kanyang paghihimutok. Ang ingay ng kanyang paghihimutok. Aray ko po. Masakit po. Outcry of disappointment. Hain. Hain is set the table.
Is serve,
Maghain
serve.
ka na. Biyenan. Mother-in-law or father-in-law. Bayaw. Brother-in-law. Manugang. Son-in-law or daughter-in-law.
Mm.
Bayag. Testicle.
Balls.
Paldo. Bundle of goods
Loser.
or money. Chibog. Chibog. Food or eating time. Chibog. Agik. Okay, all
Agi.
right. Agik. Salvage. Sa Amerikano, ang salvage is sabotage. Pero sa Tagalog, ito ay rescue or save. Masasalvage pa kaya natin to? Jesus Mariosep. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Jesus
Joseph.
Mariosep. Resback. Resback. Ay, ganti or
Revenge.
bawi.
Gante.
Maamo siya. Meek, quiet, tame, or gentle. Egul tayo dyan, pare. In a loss or deficit. Pasarela, fashion
Oh.
runway.
Mm-hmm.
Pasilyo, hallway. Nakakaaning, causes pagkakapraning or anxiety. Maaagapan pa, can still be saved. Maaagapan pa, three A's. No, four A's, but not in order. May antot, with repulsive odor. Maaangas, maaango, having the smell of spoiled meat. Maaango, Maaanghang, spicy ones. Maaanghit, smelly ones. Maaapektuhan, will be affected. Maaaralan, can be studied. Maaarte, choosy people. Maaasim, sour people. Maaaya, nice people. Maaapektuhan, people or factors that get affected. Nakakaalam, someone that will be able to be informed or will know. Nakakaalarma, induces alarm. Unos is what?
Uh, Tragedy.
Storm or bagyo. Unos.
Yeah, tragedy.
Talampas. What is talampas?
Halampas. I don't know.
It's a plateau or cliff. What is burol?
Wake.
No, it's a hill. Burol is a hill. Himno? What is himno? Himno
Himno.
is
Him.
hymn.
Yeah.
What is bukang
Duh.
liwayway?
Oh, it's dawn.
Oh, what
Dawn.
is tagpi tagpi?
Patches.
Yes, it's patchwork. What is pinagtagpi tagpi?
Patch together.
Hindot. What is hindot?
Itigil.
No, it is the casual sex act or the up and down movement of sexing. Pianza, what is pianza?
I don't know.
It's bail money. Sinasaniban is,
Possessed.
yes. Kiri.
Kiri.
What is kiri in English? A flirtatious woman. Pinagkakamalan. Pinagkakamalan
Pinagbibitangan.
in English.
Blamed.
Yes, being the accused. Pakikipagsinungalingan.
Being lied to.
Pretending to be lying. Awa naman ng Diyos, wag nang bumalik pag di nasarapan. Magtayo, gumawa, bumuo. Sa Ingles ay build, build, build. Magtayo, gumawa, bumuo. Lig li- ligaw na kabayo. Ligaw na kabayo. Ano ang ligaw na kabayo sa Ingles?
A lost horse.
Or wild horse. Ngiti ang tugon.
Smile is the answer.
Yes.
That is
Ang
so
smile
random.
ang response niya. Taliwas.
It's like iba, different,
Contrary. Salungat.
contrary.
Salungat. Salungat.
A root. Um,
Opposite. Sanga ata iniisip mo. Baliktad. O kalungat. Baliktad. Reverse. Kabaligtaran. Reverse. Patiwarik. Patiwarik. Ano ang patiwarik sa Ingles?
Upside down.
Yes.
Yep, I know.
Patuwad. What is patuwad?
Lean.
Turned up over, patuwad. Labagsa in English.
Labad. Labag.
Labag. Labag. Labagsa.
Labad akong ulo.
Goes
Labag
against.
is against.
Hindi
You
tugma.
didn't give me a chance.
Hindi tugma in English. Hindi tugma. Not a match. Sakuna. What is sakuna? Aray ko po. What is sakuna?
Sakuna. Suffering.
Disaster. Aray.
Parang ganun din.
Anong saklolo?
Help.
Yes, tulong. Tustos.
Um, I don't know.
Support.
What's this called? Oh.
Sustento.
Sustain.
Sustenance.
Sustenance. Sustain.
Suhay. What is suhay in English?
I don't
It is the
know.
braces to prop up houses or furniture. Suhay ng bahay. What is bagus? Bagkus
Regardless,
tinanim.
however.
Subalit ngunit, on the contrary, hence kahit na, but yet in spite of this. Kinikilala pa
Hence.
din ang isa't isa. Kinikilala pa din namin ang isa't isa.
We're still getting to know each other. Duh.
Isalubong mo. Maaari
You
po bang
meet.
isalubong mo siya? Yes.
You
Arugahin
meet.
mo.
Huh?
Take care of him in your home. Dito kaya tayo magkita. Why not we meet here? Maal maalam pala kayo. You're brainy pala. I didn't know you were brainy. Maalam pala kayo. Baldado. Aray ko. A person with difficulty in walking. Baldado ho siya. Nailaw ang
Mm.
VC icon mo pero wala akong marinig. Patid. What is patid? Bakit walang patid ang pagnanakaw? Why does it seem like stealing just goes on and on? Patid is disjointed, unconnected, or broken. Batid is aware. Magkaroon ng kaalaman sa isang bagay. Batid ng guro ang mga hamon ng hinaharap ng kanyang mga estudyante. Talampakan. What is talampakan in English?
The bottom of our feet.
Yes. Feet. Talampakay Gucci o Bucci? Ikukubli. What is ikukubli? What is ikukubli?
Are you taking photo?
No,
Okay.
I'm giving
Photo shoot
Christian
na.
something.
Okay,
To
one more time.
hide. To
One more
hide.
time.
To
One more
hide.
time.
To hide. Aray ko po.
Not
Masakit
bad. The
talaga.
biceps. Wow, you got some biceps. All right.
Aawat sa amin.
Nawi. Not there.
Person to
Not
break
there.
up our fight. aawat sa amin. Kisap mata is wink. Sampid is clinging or caught on
Kisap mata.
something like an object that's become entangled. Can then refer to a freeloader or intruder. Sampid.
So Arlo,
Pinagsamantala,
have you
exploited.
paid your Maya?
Daleng
Is it
dale.
still okay?
You're really good at it. Naduduwal sa gulay. Nausea. Pero sa titi hindi. Naduduwal.
Okay,
Ma,
let's stop
palag na nga
here.
yan. Laban nga yan eh. Palag na nga yan. Wala ka nang masasabi ngayon na makakabago sa pag-iipon ko sa Talang Tales. Kurikong, skin mites,
Okay,
scabies, rash.
bye.
Puro
Bye. I
pasa
need
ang
time
mukha ng
now.
passenger. Sabi, no choice ho, gusto ko mag-aral. Kung kay